Can you add a debit card to Stash? This is a question I've been getting a lot lately, and it's a great one. Stash is a popular investing app that allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. But can you use your debit card to fund your Stash account? Imagine you're ready to start investing. You've done your research, you know what you want to invest in, and you're ready to take the plunge. But when you go to fund your account, you realize you can't use your debit card. That would be a major bummer, right? So, let's dive into this question and find out if you can actually add a debit card to Stash. We'll also explore some other funding options and discuss the benefits of using Stash for your investments. Can you add a debit card to Stash? The short answer is no, you can't add a debit card to Stash. However, there are a few other ways to fund your account. Funding options. Bank transfer. This is the primary method for funding your Stash account. You can transfer funds from your bank account to Stash using the ACH network. This typically takes a few business days to complete. Check deposit. You can also deposit a check into your Stash account. This process can take a few days to clear. External transfer. If you have money in another investment account, you can transfer it to Stash. This option is typically only available for transferring funds from other brokerage accounts. Benefits of using Stash. Accessibility. Stash is a user-friendly app that makes investing accessible to everyone. Fractional shares. You can invest in fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, which makes it easier to start investing with a small amount of money. Automated investing. Stash offers automated investing features such as Auto Invest and Stash Boost, which can help you build your investments over time. Diverse investment options. Stash offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Additional considerations. Fees. Stash charges a monthly fee for most account types. However, there are ways to avoid this fee, such as by maintaining a certain balance in your account or investing a certain amount each month. Customer support. Stash offers customer support to help you with any questions or issues you may have. Security. Stash uses industry-standard security measures to protect your account information. So, while you can't add a debit card to Stash, there are other ways to fund your account. Stash offers a variety of benefits for investors, including accessibility, fractional shares, automated investing, and diverse investment options. If you're looking for a user-friendly way to start investing, Stash may be a good option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.